Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hapra, and you know how we do it. Okay, thank you again for coming back for another video. And if you're new here, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Okay, and yeah guys, let's dive in. I'm gonna show you all the goodies that I bought from Nike, and I'll show you how cheap I got them, guys. I mean, I got receipts. Okay, so first guys, let's dive in already. Okay, shall we? First we have, can you see that, the vapormax Nikes. Okay, and I got these cute babies, guys. Look at those. Look, guys, how cute. They're so light and they're so cute. I'm in love, guys. I'm in love. I got these babies. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, I got these babies for $60, guys. For $60. Can you imagine? For $60, guys. Can you imagine? So original price was 22,000 yen, and I got I'm reading everything here, 22,000 yen, and I got a 15,000 yen, 15,000, what's this, 15,000 each yen, 15,001 yen discount, and I got this for 6,999 yen. Duh, that's a catch, right? That's a steal. That's a good deal. What Ibiki is 15,000, like discount is 15,000. Anyway, tell me guys, do you like them? Yeah, I can't wait to rock these babies. Yay! Let me give you one more time. Okay, next. Okay, already tired. Next, guys. Oh my god, I love this already. So these are the airmax 97. Look at those cute babies, guys. Look at that. Yeah, they have this baby pink kinda vibe, and I got these for, wait, let me check. Yeah, I got this for 5,999. $5,999. So, but original price was 19,800 yen. So original price was 19,800. So about $190, $190, guys. So this was a good deal. How cute, guys. Yep. Cute, right? I love them too. So these are my second pair of 97, but this is my first pair of vapormax, so I'm excited. My first pair was a present, and I had to buy myself one too. Yeah, and super excited because no more emergency, so we can go anywhere we want. Okay, now let's open what else. Wait, I didn't buy so much. That was like on Nike, the outlet store on the Nike app. They had a sale, 30% off, and I got myself these leggings too. Like, look at that, how cute. Wait, this is the front. So cute. I needed some color in my life for workout because I have too many other, I have another color like this, but I love blue. Ouch. I love blue, and I needed a pair of leggings, okay? And I have so many Nike sneakers, but I don't have so many Nike outfits to match them with, so this will do. Yeah, excited to wear these. I haven't even tried them on. I don't even know if they will fit. Okay guys, let's go to another one. Another one. I got myself a fanny pack, a Nike fanny pack. Let me open this. Yay! Let me try it on. Anyway guys, so I'm excited. So here it is. Closer look. Like I told you, got too many sneakers but don't have so many matching outfits, so I have to get on this. Yeah, I needed this. Now let me see. So, oh yeah, I almost forgot I got this. I got myself some sandals. Yeah, some cute sandals. Cause summer is here, we are going to the beach. Yeah, and my last buy is not here, but I already bought it in black, and now I bought it in pink. Those other Nike sandals that some of you saw me wear, yeah, I got those in pink too. But anyway, that's it guys. Tell me which one was your favorite. You know how we do it. Okay, comment and tell me which one you want to get. Okay, if you had a chance to get all this big sale guys, if you had a chance, which one would you get? Yeah, tell me guys in the comments. But that's it from me guys. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe guys, like this video, and show your girl some love. Okay, thank you, and again, till next time.